In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your ringtone using settings.
Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video.
First, you want to go into settings, then sound and haptics, then down to ringtone. The first thing you can do in here is find a ringtone that you want. If you want to hear it, just tap it, and to stop it, tap it. If you want more ringtones, go down to classic, and you can find more in here, and the same again, tap it to hear it and to stop it. Then you have selected one in here, tap back. If you wanted alert tones, you can select these as well. Also you have got classics as well that you can always select as well. Then if you go back to here, as you can see, your new ringtone has been added. If you want to change the sound for the rest of them, it is the same way that I have showed you. And the next thing you can do is you can change the volume of your ringtone and alerts. By using this slider here, you can move it left to right to change the volume. And another thing you can do is you can change the volume with the volume buttons by selecting this. If you'd like to change the vibration patterns for any of these, you can by selecting any one. I'm going to have ringtone. Then you want to select vibration. You can choose from any of these here. Me personally, I quite like the SOS one. By tapping it, you'll be able to feel the vibrations, and then by tapping it again, it will stop the vibrations. Also, if you don't want a vibration, you can just tap none, or if you like to make your own vibration, you can do this by selecting this here. Then when creating a new vibration, tap anywhere on the screen to create it, and it will start recording. Do this till the end so you have a complete one. Then you can always play it back to see what it feels like, and also pause it if you want and resume playing it. If this is the one that you want, tap save and you can give it a name. I'm going to name mine as 1. Then when you want to save it, just tap save, then it will be saved and selected for you. If you don't want this anymore and you want to delete it, just swipe left on it and then tap delete. Then once you have found the one that you want, just tap back, then your vibration will be set to the one that you have selected. And now adding a ringtone or any of these here is all complete.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.